Hi, my name is Sky, and today I'm going to show you how to make vegan cheese from the pulp you will have left over from making nut milk. So I've got almonds here. This is 1 cup of almond pulp that I have left over from the milk I made. You can also do it with cashews or any other nuts that you like. So we're going to put 1 cup of the almond pulp in the blender. There we go. Then I have 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, which is very high in B vitamins, which are essential. And it has very much protein. We put that in. So then we're going to put the juice of 1 lemon inside. Just going to squeeze that out here. Right. Make sure the seeds don't fall in. Alright, then we're going to put the zest of half a lemon, so we got a grater here. Okay, just get that. So, alright, we'll add that in. Now I have 3 dried tomatoes. I soaked them in water so that they will blend better. You could even boil them if you need to do it very quickly, but best is in cold water for about 3 to 4 hours, I would say, soak them. So we're going to add those in. Then I have 1 clove of garlic here. Add that one in. Then we're going to put 1/4 cup of olive oil. This is our own made olive oil from the garden here. There we go. Alright. Then we're going to get a teaspoon over here. Alright, so then we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. This will give it a very nice flavor. There we go. Alright. Then we're going to blend it on the highest stand. So you want to get all the ingredients really blended together and that it becomes like one paste. So we're going to do that now. Okay, so if you have a spatula, you can scoop down the sides, bring everything to the middle again, and like this you'll be able to blend all the ingredients better. You can also mix it around a little bit in there, and then we'll continue blending it until it becomes completely like one paste, everything blended together. Now we're going to put it in a cheesecloth I got here, and then a big sieve and a bowl underneath. This is going to catch the moisture. So we're going to put it in there. Scoop the mixture out into the cheesecloth over here, like so. Let's see. It can be quite sticky. Okay, then I'm gonna close the cheesecloth like this so that the mixture is inside. Then we're going to tie a knot in the end on the top, like so. Yep. Okay. Then we put it in there, and this will go in the fridge for about 9 hours. So you could just do that overnight to keep it simple. And this will allow some of the moisture that's still in the mixture to pour out into the bowl, which will give your cheese more like solid structure, texture. So yeah, let's check on it in 9 hours.